Hello friends. Welcome to my channel LeoTech. Please subscribe this channel.
Today, I will show you how to use torrent. Firstly, go to Play Store and type torrent in search bar. Download the torrent and install it. It is downloaded, as you can see. Now go to Google search bar, type KPROXY, as shown. Now click on website, and then enter 1337x.to. The torrent site is opened. You can use it for downloading HD movies, television shows, games, music, applications, documentaries, etc. If it tries to show notification, then block it, otherwise it will start sending you fucking notifications and all. Suppose if I want to download DDLJ movie, then in search bar, I will type DDLJ, click on search button, and you can see the result. If I want to download the movie Joker, enter the Joker, then click on magnet download, it will be downloaded. If it is showing any advertisement, then go back, and again click on magnet download. If you want to download more movies, click on movies and then click on popular foreign today. It will show you the trending movies, which is being downloaded by most people. Thus you can download any software, movies, application free of cost by yourself. If you still have any doubt, then comment below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.